Hey there everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to convert Word to PDF in laptop. So let's get started. First of all, I will show you two methods. One, I will go with Microsoft Word, and second, I will do without any kind of software. So let's get started. First, let's just say this is my Word file and I will go with the Microsoft Word. So let's just open it. So here is my Microsoft Word. How we can turn this into PDF on the Microsoft Word? For that, we need to go to File on the top left on the file, and then from here you need to go to the export right here, tap on the export, and from here you can see create PDF. You need to select the create PDF option and this will turn on the menu bar, and from here you can rename the file. And let's just tap on the publish. Let's just wait for a moment. All right, as you can see, my PDF file is now converted, and here is the PDF file. This is that much easy in Microsoft Word. So let's just do it without the Microsoft Word. If you don't have the Microsoft Word, don't worry, we have a website for it. Just go to ilovepdf.com, and from here you need to select the Word to PDF. Here, the Word to PDF, just tap on that, and from here you need to select drag and drop your Word file, like I'm dragging it on to the screen, and then click on the convert to PDF. It will take some time, and then download the PDF, and let's just open it from here. And as you can see, we have successfully converted the document file or docs file to PDFs. That is for today. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.